procedure for live streaming.
Sir, last week, former Senator Arturo Trillanes confirmed that on his account that nasubmit na daw yung affidavit ng Binary sa Ombudsman. Have you guys seen it?
We received a letter. It is now going to be forwarded to the Commission.
The next question po would be yung from Paubong, Bulacan. There's a secretary from the municipality. And then parang meron po silang looking at 11 flood control projects for 700 million possibly. Some are close, some are also.
Lahat naman yan, nandyan sa records ng ICI, and as soon as we have sufficient manpower to look at everything that has been submitted to us, we will do that. But in that particular case, I will have to get back to you on the action of the ICI on that matter. Because right now we are looking at, as we already mentioned to the public and through you guys, we are looking at the 421 those projects that we share or we inform the public, and we are targeting that. We would like to look into those projects.
Early yung November 11, you confirm
Hindi pa naman, because as I said, we always announce the hearing before, a day before. No? At the same time, it will all depend on the approval of the rules and procedure, which we hope we can do so, or we can achieve before that day.
I mean, na-confirm na po si Yusek Bernardo na
I believe wala pa naman siyang Yusek Bernardo. Yan yung next na schedule.
Speaker, kailan po si
I'm not sure, I'll have to check the records, but more or less, wala pa yung, the last time he asked for a resetting. So we will have to schedule kung when. But definitely, ang priority kasi ng ICI is really to finish that, to have that rules of procedure approved with regard to live streaming. Because we want that set first, and then we will confirm all our hearings thereafter.
Sir, can a resource person, like, halimbawa sabihin niya, ayaw ko lang dumating kasi may live stream. Meaning, might not comfortable na paano yan?
Medyo speculative no? Probably let's wait until that actually happens.
No, it's going to happen probably. Pero paano ang policy natin? Kung halimbawa somebody likes.
Well, tingnan muna natin kung ano yung magiging rules natin.
Sorry, last one, yung balikan ko lang sa previously reported meeting. RTVM ba?
I believe sila yung nag-ano dyan. Pero all records remain with us.
So, kaya yung DPC also?
No, it's us. It's us.
Sir?
We make sure that that recordings remain with the ICI.
So what are we going to, with regard to Senator Trillanes' sending of the complaint? Copy lang naman yung complaint kasi he has submitted sa Ombudsman. Are we going to do anything about it? As far as maybe calling individuals mentioned in the...
Hihintayin natin, Joseph, kung ano yung magiging action ng Commission. Then, as I mentioned earlier, babasahin pa nila yan yung request ni former Senator Trillanes.
Sir, dito marami yung mga parang nagpupunta dito ng pa-file ng complaint. Sufficient ba yung power natin sa ICI to check all of those yung merits ng mga pinapasa ng mga complaint?
Sa ngayon kasi hinintay pa namin ang approval ng aming staffing pattern. But definitely all these are recorded, meaning filed. And we will backtrack and then we will look into these files and letters and information that come to us once we have completed we have full capacity. So nandyan lang yan, nakastorya, in fact, naka-safety. Para pag dumating ang panahon na talagang kompleto ng staffing ng ICI, mas mapapabilisan namin ang proseso. Then we will really definitely look into those records.
So yung pinadalang
Last one.
Yung pinadalang letter on those one, are they coordinating with specifics?
Wala naman kuminsan kasi meron silang mga information na hinihingi sa amin, additional information sa mga refer namin before.
Last. Clarification dun sa finance officer, di ba that was yung ICI?
May mas days.
Friday.
Thursday.
Okay.
Mas na
Kakaroon ba yung ICI ng separate and
wala yata, wala kaming that particular case, hindi pa namin, that's not part of the case build up yet. Kasi definitely, kung nag-file na ang DPWH na, we don't want to be redundant. We want to file other cases that will probably be pertaining to other flood control projects, in particular the ghost ones. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, clarification, we can say by November,